another recipe. My name is Rose and today I will be making pork chops, okay? In today's recipe, I will be making two different pork chop recipes. One is lemon pepper, the other one is mystery. So stay tuned to see what it is. Before I begin, if you're watching me for the first time, be sure you subscribe to Island Vibe Cooking. Like this video for me, please. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe? Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, this is our pork chops. Nice and clean with lime and vinegar. That's why they look a little bit whitish. Now all you have to do is just pat them dry with a napkin. Remove any moisture. Now we're going to use oil. The oil will help the seasoning to stick on there. Now make sure you rub in your oil like so onto your pork chops. Now we're going to add the celery salt, which I've never used before. So let's just open it. Just a tiny bit, okay? Just sprinkle it all over. Rub it in just like so. Flip it over. And do it again lightly. When you're adding the lemon pepper, okay? Be very, very generous. So we're going to add in our lemon pepper. Zesty and peppery. Oh yes. My type of pork chops. I love lemon pepper flavor. If you're not a big fan of lemon pepper, try it out. Make sure you use a good brand like Lawry's because they use good quality products, ingredients. I'm not sure. The first time I eat lemon pepper, it was not pleasant because the brand that I used was great value, and trust me, it did not taste good at all. So make sure you use a good brand. Flip it over, add more lemon pepper, just like so, yes. I like a lot of lemon pepper, guys, don't judge me. I will eat it all. Love the lemon pepper flavor. All right, that's our first pork chop. It's nice and easy. All you have to do is place your pork chops onto your baking dish, whatever you're baking it in. Okay guys, now time to make our mystery pork chop recipe. It's not so mystery. I mean, I've probably made it before on this channel, but I wanted to come on here and show you guys. This is my to-go basic pork chop recipe. All right, let's get started. We're going to pat dry our pork chop. We're going to add a little bit of the olive oil. Rub it in. Flip it over. And we'll be adding the seasoning now. The first seasoning is seasoned salt. Flip it over. Seasoned salt on the other side as well. After you add your seasoned salt, we're going to add a little bit of the Creole seasoning. Just like so, very lightly. We're adding a lot of seasoning in here, so no need to add too much of the Creole seasoning. Remember, it has salt. Now we're going to add a little bit of paprika. A little bit of it. Rub it in. Flip it over. Add some more. Onion powder. Garlic powder. freshly cracked pepper. Now we're going to add the other pork chop in here so we can bake them, okay? Scoot over. Okay guys, these are our pork chops. We have the lemon pepper and the regular one. We're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes on 400 degrees, okay? So let's go. Okay guys, the pork chop is finally ready. I cannot wait, and it looks extremely juicy, just the way I wanted it. So let's go check it out. Would you look at that? These pork chops look extremely juicy. Oh yes. These pork chops look absolutely delicious. They're super juicy. These are so good right now. This right here, this one's right here is mine. It looks absolutely delicious, and it's, you guys can see it looks juicy. I can't wait to dive in. Let's go eat, guys. Okay guys, time to taste my lemon pepper chicken. I can't wait. It looks so juicy. I can't wait. Let's try it. Oh my god. Oh, so good. Perfectly cooked. It's so moist. The zestiness from the lemon pepper. It's everything, guys. Give this a try. You'll thank me later. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. And I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.